Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to install the Postman extension in Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Visual Studio Code, then click on the extensions icon in the sidebar. This one, just click, then in the search bar type Postman, and look for the extensions name Postman by Postman API. Make sure it's the official one, and then click install. Waiting the process. Okay, once installed, you will see a new Postman icon on the sidebar, and click that icon to open the Postman, and then just sign in on your account, and then now you can send a request and test APIs without leaving your Visual Studio Code. And that's it, you have successfully installed Postman in Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!